Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at a powerful rechargeable portable LED light bar that I just got. When I came across this light on Amazon, I thought that it had a lot of potential uses, so I decided to test it out and see if I was correct. Being rechargeable and having 8,000 lumens, you can use it for lighting up your work area, lighting up dark rooms that have no power, or even as an emergency light during a power outage. You can use it as an automotive work light or as a toolbox light. So many possible uses, I thought. So, will it be as good as I think? I don't know. So let's find out together. So if you've been looking for a powerful and portable LED light bar but didn't know which one to get, stick around as I unbox and test this guy. Alright guys, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. So let's talk a little bit about some of the features that this guy has, but before we get started, do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Alright then, so this is the 8,000 lumens portable LED light bar from Letour, available on Amazon, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this kit retails for $39.99, and this guy comes with a 1-year warranty. The dimensions on this guy are 16 inches by about 2 inches by about 2 inches, and it only weighs a few ounces. So what do you get when you unbox this guy? Well, you get the light itself, you get the owner's manual, it tells you everything about this guy, you get some magnets in case you're applying this guy on a non-ferrous surface, because it has magnets built into it, and this will work on surfaces that are not metallic and magnetic. And you get a power cord to charge this guy up. So this light comes in two sizes, 12 inches and 16 inches. I got the 16 incher because I wanted that size, but if you want a less expensive light for smaller areas, you can get the 12 incher instead. This light has 216 LED beads to light up your work area, and it has 3 selectable light temperatures. It has a warm 3500K yellow light, a cooler 4500K whiter light, and a very cool, bright, very white 6500K white light. It also has a stepless dimming, so you can select whatever brightness you feel comfortable with. You can select the maximum brightness of 8,000 lumens or anything in between. This light has a powerful 7,500 milliamp hour rechargeable built-in battery that can power this light up anywhere from 6 to 10 hours of continuous runtime, depending on the brightness that you select. It also has a USB-A output jack, so you can use this light as a battery bank during emergencies. This light also has a convenient numeric display that I'll show you in a little bit that tells you exactly how much charge you have left. This light has magnets, like I mentioned, and a hook for easy mounting anywhere you like. It also has a threaded tripod mount, unlike many lights, so you can set this guy up on a threaded mount to suit whatever your lighting needs may be. So all things being considered, this looks like a very affordable and convenient light that has a lot of uses to it. You can use it as an underhood work light, as an under cabinet light, a closet light, a camping light, an emergency light for power outages, a work light for your shop, a storage shed light, and much, much more. Anywhere that you want a bright light without the hassle of wiring, this little guy should do the trick. So let's take a little closer look at this guy and see how it performs. Alright guys, so let's take a look at this light and get a little bit better acquainted with it. I'm going to have to fight the glare the whole time. But anyway, here is a closer look at the LED beads that it has in it. And you can see that it has different colored LED beads in there. That's how it gets the different types of color temperatures that it wants to achieve. 3 different color temperatures, like I said before. So that's why you have 3 different sets of LED beads in there. And it's pretty much the same all the way across. So you can choose whatever light you want, and you have good reflectors on there to give you good lighting. And nice clear plastic, very clear plastic, no fogginess or anything in there. So that'll give you good lighting. Now, as far as the light itself goes, there you go. It's try to get into the frame right there, 16 inches long, 2 inches by 2 inches, that kind of thing. And it's very lightweight. On each end, you have magnets right there, so you can stick it onto any ferrous surface. If it's like iron, steel, anything like that, these guys will stick on there. Now, if you want to put it on something else, let's say it's not steel, let's say it's plastic, aluminum, wood, anything like that, it does include these little iron discs with it, steel, whatever they are. And they have double-sided tape on the back. That way you put these guys onto a surface you want it to stick on, and bam, it'll stick right on there without any trouble. So put it on any non-metallic surface, you put these guys there, and then this light will stick to that. So these guys are included, very convenient. Now, the back of the light itself, like I said, you have the magnets there. You have what looks like vents, but I don't think they are. It's just a decorative feature on there right there. On the back here, it tells you pretty much everything about the light, what it is and so forth, 7,500 milliamp hour, all that kind of stuff. Has a little hook on there, so you can also hook it onto something. You can hang it on something and aim it downward, very convenient in that respect. And one good thing, I don't know if you can tell from the video, but it is well weighted. It is properly weighted. It's balanced, I should say. A lot of times, a lot of these things, plastic molds and stuff, they don't make it right. They don't make it 100% accurate. So it'll be twisted in one direction or the other. It'll be hanging like that, kind of sideways. But this one, as you see, if I let it go, it balances itself out, and it pretty much, let's get it to stop. It'll pretty much stay properly balanced. It's even all the way across. So if you hang it somewhere, right from this middle hook right here, you're going to get even light distribution. So that's pretty good. And it's a simple little hook, has a little plastic coating on it, so you're not going to scratch whatever you put it on. So that's pretty convenient, and it does go down, so it's not in your way if you don't want it to be. So very convenient as far as all that stuff. On the side over here, you have this little cover right there. And you see right there, you have two USBs. The USB-C is for charging. The USB-A is an outlet port. Like I said before, you can use this guy as a battery bank. And when you turn it on, right, this little window right here, it tells you how much power you have. So that's fairly convenient right there. And I'm cycling through it. You can see, I don't want to put it at the camera because then it'll blind the camera. But let's see the different color lights that it has. Let me turn off the light here. There you go, so you can see better. So that's one light brightness right there. That's your different temperature right there. And your other temperature right there. So you have a couple to choose from. And then for emergency purpose, you have this red and blue blinker right there. You have red and blue right there. And it'll blink to get people's attention. So if you're stuck somewhere, you have a problem, you can use this guy to get people to where you are. It'll get their attention pretty good. So that's not too bad. And you can see right there, let me put it down. I guess if you're having a party at home or something, you can use it for fun too. So there you go. Nice, colorful, decorative red and blue lighting. There you go. You can have a little dance party with it. So you can have fun with anything, I guess. But let me put it way up here and go through the different lightings again so you can get an idea. There you go. That's one light temperature right there. That's another one right there. And that is another one right there. So that goes to show you this single little light right here. I'm holding it down right here. This little light can actually work as a shop light. It can light up your bench without any trouble at all. You can light up a room if it's during a power outage emergency. And I'm going to set it up right now in a moment to light up my shop here, my garage. But you can light up a room pretty well with this light. It really has a lot of power to it. So we're going to look at that in just a moment. Let me turn that off. And one thing I didn't mention, the tripod mount. I mentioned that previously. It does have a little tripod mount right there. So you can literally mount it on something and then you can aim it any direction you want, any angle you want. If you mount it on like a, tripod screw, something like that, and you can prop it up to light up whatever surface you need to work on. So pretty convenient in that respect. So there you go. That's all the features that this light has. Very nice little light. I'm going to try a couple different scenarios right now and see how it works for lighting up a room or as a, under hood work light or things like that. Let's see exactly how this guy performs. All right, guys, so let's do a lighting test. Let's see exactly how strong this light is when it's working by itself. As you see, I stuck it onto the metal body of the fluorescent light. It's just stuck on there with the magnets. And I'm going to test it out. I'm going to turn off the lights right now and see exactly how strong that light is. So let me do that right now, backing up so I can turn off the lights. And let's see how much power that guy puts out. And wow, look at that. That little light right there can light up a room all by itself. Look at this. This entire bay is being lit up by that one light right there. You really don't need a lot more lighting. The whole bay, look at how well it lights up everything. It is pitch black in here, but you could function and do whatever you needed to do. If it was an emergency, if you had no lighting whatsoever, let's say this is a camper, let's say it's a storage shed, anything at all, if you don't want to mess around with wiring or any of that, you have this little guy right up there, stick it onto something metallic, or like I said, use some other ingenious way to set it up. And look at that. If this was really just a storage shed, a storage unit, it could light up your way very comfortably in here. So it does a really good job. I'm trying to back up and trying to encompass everything. The light goes really, really far. 8,000 lumens, it does an excellent job. That's why I said when I saw it on Amazon, I thought it had a lot of potential. So lighting up your entire bay, no problem at all. Let's move it somewhere else. All right, you need some lighting in your workshop, your workbench, but you don't have any power? Well, there you go. There's that little guy right there. All the lights are turned out, and look how well it lights up my workbench. I could literally do anything I need to do here with these 8,000 lumens. That is one strong, powerful little light. It really lights up everything very nicely. I have it stuck on the rails of the garage door opener right there, and it's doing a fantastic job. You see right there, my 4-foot shop light is turned off, and this guy is lighting up the entire bench. So it does a really good job as far as that goes. If you have a workshop or something like that and you don't have any power, or your power goes out, you can have this little guy do everything for you. It lights it up beautifully. Very nice job. And like I said, I don't have a big toolbox, but if you have a big toolbox or something like that, you can put this guy inside your toolbox and it'll light up everything very, very nicely. No need to get some fancy LED lights or anything. This guy is modular. Stick it onto anything, move it around, take it somewhere else. Does a really good job for that. You have a camper shell or something? Stick it in there. It'll light it up just fine. You want to go camping? It'll light up your tent or whatever. No problem at all. It'll do the job very nicely. So those are some really easy suggestions right there. And then how about using it as an underhood work light? You need to do some work on your vehicle. There you go. You can hang it up like I have it right now. This hood on this vehicle is aluminum, so I can't just stick it on there. But I can certainly hang it from the hook, and I didn't want to twist it, but I could twist the hook and have it pointing in a different direction. Or you can manually move it to go anywhere you want to go. But look at that lighting. If you want to work under your vehicle hood, you can use this guy to light up all your work area very conveniently. And the garage is pitch black right now. There are no other lights in here. It is just this little light by itself. And it's only 40 bucks. Most underhood work lights are 80, 90, 100 bucks or more. I've bought some. I've done reviews. I know what they cost. They're not cheap. So if you don't want to have to spend that kind of money, a $40 light, my goodness, look at all the different uses that this guy has. So like I said, let's say I don't want to have it there. Let's say I don't want to have it hanging on the hook. Let's say I want to move it somewhere else. Oh, turn it off. Let's say I want to have it hanging somewhere else. Let's say you have a metal hood and you can put it wherever you want. Right in the middle here would be a convenient place if this was a metal hood. It's aluminum, doesn't work. But look at all the lighting it gives you, and you can move it to work in whatever area you need. You need to move over there. You need to move over here. Does a great job. You can certainly use it to do whatever work you need. So very powerful light that'll light up everything you need. And like I said, in an emergency, let's say you need to move around, you need to go somewhere. Look at this. It lights up your path. It's better than a flashlight. It lights up your path very, very nicely. You need to do an inspection. Let's say you're a termite guy or something and you need to inspect a building. This will light up everything very, very well for you. So it works out pretty much for everything you want. Very nice little light and very economical. So there you go. All right, guys, there you have it. A review and demonstration of a very convenient and affordable compact LED multi-purpose light. A great little light that has a lot of power to light up just about any situation or location. Whether using it as a utility light, an emergency light, underhood work light, storage room light, or anything else you can think of. Pick the uses and move it around anywhere you need it. The best part is that it's only 40 bucks. You may be able to get it even cheaper whenever they have it on sale, depending on when you see this video. So if you've been looking for an affordable and powerful light at a great price, this is one you should look into. And remember, everything I showed you was at the full 8,000 lumens. If that's too powerful for you, it does have stepless dimming, so you can adjust the lighting to whatever is convenient for you, going lower than 8,000 lumens. So hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out the links down below for all the information. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.